is a fucking UFO, man. That is a motherfucking UFO. Bitch, there ain't nothing in America that flies like, no way, man. Are you getting it?
Mm-hmm.
Holy fucking shit. I gotta get out and look at that, because you know I'm the alien fucking freak. I believe that shit so much, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Man, dude, that is a fucking UFO. Look how it's moving.
Yeah, that's not balloons.
It's rotating and shit.
That's a lot of stuff. And there's a hover ring around it.
I know, I see it. Wow.
There's a ring around it.
Dude, keep filming that shit, man. We'll go viral and shit. Damn, that was a trip. Did you see it disappear?
Yeah, where'd it go?
Well, I still see it. It's behind the
Oh,
cloud.
okay. I got it.
Wow, look. Oh,
It's gone.
Look at it. It took the fuck off.
It's gone.
No, I still see it.
Where? I don't see it anymore.
I still can see it, man.
I don't see it.
It's going way, man, but it took the fuck off. You don't see it straight up here on the dot.
Mm-mm.
Holy shit, man. Morgan, that was a fucking UFO.
I got it, though.
Oh, they're gonna hear my